going up the mountain, getting ready for a ride.
You want to use my camera?
Mm-mm. I will look back, but I'm not going backwards. It's happening. It's happening.
See that?
Uh-huh.
That's part of the green right there.
That's it?
Yes.
That's not too bad.
Oh, it's nothing. It's going to be so boring compared to what you've done. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, here. Hello, Cass.
Sharyn's with me. Who'd have thought that would have happened?
No, hell's frozen over it.
Come Sunday. Or Saturday, whatever day that was.
Okay.
Saturday the 13th.
Oh.
10 years from now, we'll look back and say, what does Saturday the 13th mean? Ah, smell that pine air.
Yeah, it smells good. So which one of these are like green versus blue? Are they just regular walking trails?
This is access road.
Oh, okay.
Where they go up to repair stuff and stuff like that.
Okay.
Green, it's going to be about like that trail over there. Most of the time. Real flat like that one.
Okay.
Just slightly. Listen, don't you trust me at this point?
I do trust you.
I'm not going to decide. Gee.
Unnecessary, what do you call it? Stress?
Build up?
Yes. Well, this is a nice ride. I'm just going to go ahead and video the way up.
Yeah, you can use a lot of megabytes there.
I am?
For video?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can do what you want. Right, I've got plenty of megabytes.
Okay.
That's the blue one there.
That doesn't look too bad.
Well, that's what I'm telling you. I think last time we just got intimidated, or I got intimidated by all the downhillers
Right,
who were warming up on the blue trails and the green trails because they were just waiting for their run.
Okay.
And I just got so upset that
You mean that's it?
I couldn't relax. And then number two, we took the green trail we're going to be on just for a little bit.
Okay.
And then for some reason I jumped on diesel. And we weren't warmed up because like the first time I came here the other day, I went down the green the whole way just to get my sea legs, you know what I'm saying? Then I went down the green part of the way, then I jumped on some blues, and we did blues together, 2 rides. But I'm not going to do any blues today. I'm just going to do all the different greens.
Okay.
There's probably 3 green ones I haven't done, which at least be a little something different. Yeah, that's a blue one there. Blue crossover right there. That's a black one right here. That's the end of the black.
Are they kind of right up there?
Oh yeah, most of them jump off that. They don't mind. That's none of these. These are all access roads here. Don't you feel relieved?
I do, because they make it like whenever you look at the video, whenever I'm watching that.
Yeah.
You see the edge, and it looks like you're gonna like off the side of a cliff of a mountain, and it's only just like a little bit of small nothing. So.
I haven't been on except one short blue where there was even close to any kind of an edge. Yeah, I haven't been on that one. Somebody got the cobs hung up. It's like you're nervous. Oh, you're very limping in the wind. I think you survived that though. If you look down.
I was watching that James Bond movie. Remember?
Yeah, exactly.
Jaws.
Taking a chain all the way down. He'd be going 100 miles an hour with that chain.
Oh my gosh.
So stupid. Unbelievable. And I think this is a crossover. This is one of the crossovers of Easy Street. Because what it does is it loops way, so it'll stay flat. It loops like that, and then that loops on that side.
Oh, that's not much different than Turkey Mountain.